Yeah, so there are two ways. I think the first one Muraya has said, you just drop the logo in your Adobe Illustrator, and then you select it, and then on your properties you have, I think he has used the object, but you can use the shortcut on properties. You have the image trace. Since we have around 2 to 3 colors, you can use more colors. You can use around 6 colors. Let's do 6 colors. If you have more than one color, you can do more than one color. So it will give you the colors that are here, but not all exactly, but it will try and give you here. You see that one, it has not given us the right colors. I can give it a try for image trace around 6 colors. Let's see if we can get the blue, but if we don't get the blue, we can get the blue from the logo itself. Let's see. No problem. That one you can see there are some things that are not perfect. You do image trace, the three colors can do better. So the 3 colors, yeah, so as simple as that. Image trace, and then click on expand, then you ungroup, and then you just remove this one and you change these ones to your preferred colors. You delete these ones and ensure that you're on transparency grid, and you delete these ones, and these ones you can join them together. Can also join them together. I think we can do one color. It was one color here. I think it is not very perfect, but I think this one was okay on your end, so just want to assume that that is just simple as that. I think it's not perfect. There is something that we are missing here. Let's delete this and we just expand. Not really. Yes, let's just delete also this. Control Z. I think this one is not bringing up something better, so you can just do it manually. Just draw it. I think this one is easier. So the most important part was this one. That is the first way. We have another way of doing it. So you drop your image. Let me see. I have it here. I drop my image here, Adobe Illustrator, so just outside, and then I can trace the other. Just trace the yes. Sometimes the disadvantage of image trace, you might find some things you need to remove them manually. You see, like these white parts. So let's just come here. You can just trace this one. A simple way. So whenever you are tracing, most of the time I normally recommend your fill and stroke to be off, and you just trace it that way. Here you double click using curvature tool. This is a curvature tool. Double click there, and then double click there where there is a corner. Using curvature tool, you double click. Curvature tool is normally faster than pen tool. It's normally faster. If you know, you know. So you just do that, and this one is just supposed to extend up to that point, and then this one you just adjust them to that point, this one too, and then you also move this one, and also just this, as simple as that. And then you can give it a color, so just have to adjust them so that they align. This one you need to have a very good screen where you can very well adjust. So as simple as that. And then you can trace this one. This is just one line, then click escape, and you can just add a color there. That is that very simple. Escape, and then you just fill this one. Let me just lock this and fill this one with this color. As simple as that. If you feel like it's not well aligning, you can still trace it more. Just adjust this one, and also adjust this one, adjust this one. Use as less anchor points as possible to ensure that your curve is perfect. As less anchor points as possible. Yes, let me delete that so that you can just have 2 anchor points, that and that. So as simple as that. So if you go to right click on this one, unlock, Control 0, I have this one here ready. Which one have I moved actually? No, I was supposed to move this. I move this one. I have that one. Yes, that's simple.